Ice cream. Just hearing the name is enough to make you imagine that sweet, creamy goodness melting on your tongue, instantly cooling you down on a scorching summer day. Grabbing a refreshing ice cream is always a delightful experience. As one of the most popular treats worldwide, ice cream holds countless fascinating secrets waiting to be discovered. Today, we're embarking on a colorful adventure to a place everyone dreams of visiting: an ice cream factory. Here, all the secrets behind the making of those delicious, refreshing ice cream bars will be revealed. Are you ready? Let's step into the sweet, chilly world of ice cream and uncover the magic behind every bite. Every week, massive trucks loaded with carefully refined ingredients from trusted suppliers arrive at the factory, bringing the key components of our delicious frozen treats. Fresh milk and sweet syrup are pumped into towering storage tanks, so tall they resemble skyscrapers. These giant tanks can hold up to 50,000 liters of fresh milk and 70,000 liters of syrup, enough to produce an astonishing 200,000 ice cream bars every single day. Once the milk arrives, it undergoes pasteurization to eliminate harmful bacteria. This process involves rapidly heating the milk to 160 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds, then quickly cooling it down to maintain its purity and freshness. Now let's move on to the mixing tanks, the heart of ice cream creation. The base recipe consists of 5 essential ingredients: water, condensed milk, sugar, fresh milk, and butter. These elements are blended together with a precise and secret ratio, ensuring that every ice cream bar delivers the same rich, creamy taste. To satisfy even the most discerning ice cream lovers, flavor experts carefully infuse the mixture with special extracts like vanilla, strawberry, and mint, creating a world of diverse and exciting flavors. All these premium ingredients are then churned together in the mixing tanks, where large paddles continuously rotate for 30 minutes, ensuring that every component is thoroughly blended into a smooth and creamy consistency. Next, it's time to add some essential extras: emulsifiers and stabilizers. These food-safe ingredients play a crucial role in maintaining the perfect texture and preventing ice crystals from forming. Thanks to them, every ice cream bar stays silky smooth and melts beautifully in your mouth. The secret behind the irresistible taste of ice cream lies in the milk fat, which provides its signature rich and creamy flavor, perfectly balanced with the sweetness of syrup. To ensure absolute perfection in every single bar, a state-of-the-art computer system, monitored by expert technicians in the control room, oversees the entire mixing process. Each ingredient is measured with millimeter precision, guaranteeing a uniform and flawless blend. Throughout the mixing process, temperature control is key. Keeping the mixture at just the right temperature prevents it from overheating, which could compromise its quality and alter the final taste. To ensure top-notch quality and eliminate any unwanted bacteria, the mixture is heated to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, extending its shelf life and ensuring safety. At this stage, the mixture has an intensely sweet taste. Once fully blended, the ice cream mixture is transferred to another holding tank, where it enters a crucial phase: the process that defines the texture of an ice cream bar. To achieve its signature smooth and creamy consistency, the mixture is pumped at high pressure through a homogenizer. Inside this powerful machine, continuously operating pistons break down large fat droplets into countless tiny ones, distributing them evenly throughout the mixture. For that light and airy texture we all love, air is carefully incorporated into the mixture, increasing its volume and giving it a soft, fluffy, and easy-to-eat consistency. This step is what creates that luxuriously smooth, melt-in-your-mouth experience, making every bite absolutely irresistible, even to the most discerning ice cream lovers. This perfectly crafted mixture is stored in holding tanks at 23 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it maintains the ideal consistency. But before any of it enters the production line, a skilled operator in the control room conducts a thorough quality check. They must ensure the solid and fat content are at the right levels to achieve the creamy texture and smooth consistency we expect. All data is fed into the computer system, and only when everything checks out is the process allowed to move forward. Now, with the ice cream mixture perfectly chilled and ready, it's time for its big transformation. The familiar wooden sticks, the trusty companion of every ice cream bar, are also prepped and ready. An incredibly precise automated machine neatly arranges them into perfect rows, getting them in position for the next step. Enter the high-tech extrusion machine, the true star of the show. With flawless precision, it dispenses the ice cream mixture while simultaneously placing each wooden stick exactly at the center of every bar. The entire process runs so smoothly, with every motion synchronized down to the millimeter, that it's mesmerizing to watch. Next, the freshly formed ice cream bars are immediately flash frozen to lock in their perfect shape. These ultra-cold freezing chambers operate at an astonishing -40 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that the once liquid ice cream mixture quickly solidifies while maintaining its flawless form. This rapid freezing process at extreme temperatures is the key secret behind the ice cream's smooth texture. By freezing the mixture so quickly, the ice crystals that form are much smaller, eliminating any unwanted icy or grainy texture. Instead, every bite is silky smooth and creamy. Not only does flash freezing enhance texture, but it also stabilizes the ice cream structure, preventing large ice crystals from forming over time. This ensures that the ice cream retains its premium quality throughout storage and transportation, so by the time it reaches you, it's just as delicious and creamy as it was on the production line. Now it's time for the final touch, coating the ice cream bars in a luscious chocolate shell. This rich velvety chocolate coating is carefully prepared by melting high-quality chocolate bars or pure cocoa powder, then stirring until it reaches the perfect smooth and glossy consistency, ideal for enveloping each ice cream bar. Depending on the ice cream variety, the chocolate coating is customized to complement the flavors. For example, in extra indulgent flavors, crunchy almonds may be added to the chocolate, creating the perfect balance of texture and taste that makes every bite even more irresistible. After their deep freeze slumber, the ice cream bars are awakened for their most exciting transformation, the irresistible chocolate coating. Precision-controlled robotic arms gently pick up each bar and carefully dip it into a pool of warm, melted chocolate. This dipping process is programmed to perfection, ensuring that the entire surface is evenly coated in a smooth, glossy layer of chocolate. Once dipped, each bar is briefly held in place, allowing any excess chocolate to drip off, preventing the coating from becoming too thick. This high-tech, fully automated chocolate dipping process is engineered with millimeter precision, guaranteeing a flawless, even chocolate shell on every single ice cream bar. But this decadent chocolate layer isn't just for looks. It serves as a protective shield, helping the ice cream melt more slowly, especially in hot weather. It also preserves the bar's shape and texture, ensuring that it remains perfectly intact throughout storage and transportation, so it reaches you just the way it was meant to be enjoyed. The moment the warm chocolate coating meets the chilled ice cream, it hardens almost instantly, forming a crisp, irresistible shell around each bar. Once set, this chocolate layer creates a delightful crunch, offering a satisfying contrast in texture that makes every bite even more enjoyable. Some say that frozen treats like ice cream trace their origins back over 4,000 years to ancient China, where milk and rice were frozen in snow. While time has passed, the art of blending tiny ice crystals with just the right balance of sugar and cream remains a complex craft, whether in a home kitchen or on an industrial scale. To create ice cream bars that are not only delicious but also vibrant and packed with unique flavors, the factory skillfully incorporates fresh, high-quality fruits. Each fruit brings its own distinctive color and taste, from the rich red of strawberries and the golden hue of mangoes to the refreshing green of kiwi. Before being added to the ice cream mixture, the fruits are carefully prepared, finely chopped, and thoroughly inspected. Once mixed in, the creamy sweetness of the ice cream blends seamlessly with the natural sweet tart flavors of the fruit, creating a perfect harmony of taste and texture. When it comes to fruit-based ice cream bars, the shaping process is slightly different from traditional ice cream bars. After mixing, the colorful fruit-infused ice cream is precisely poured into upright cylindrical molds using a state-of-the-art dispensing system. Advanced sensors ensure that the exact amount of ice cream is distributed into each mold with millimeter accuracy. Then, the familiar wooden sticks are carefully placed right at the center of each mold. Once filled, The fruit ice cream molds are sent into a freezing chamber set at -4 degrees Fahrenheit, where they firm up within 20 minutes. Gradually, the smooth, creamy mixture solidifies, transforming into refreshing, fruit-packed ice cream bars, ready to delight ice cream lovers everywhere. Interestingly, the workers here love making ice cream, but not all of them love eating it. Every day, we create a new flavor, one worker shares. Today, it might be watermelon ice cream, tomorrow sweetened condensed milk, and the next day, vanilla with truffle. There's always something new. Once the ice cream bars are perfectly coated, they move on to the packaging stage, a critical step that demands speed and absolute precision. Within just 2 minutes of being dipped in chocolate or molded with fruit, each bar must be packaged and stored in cold storage. This rapid process protects the ice cream from environmental factors, ensuring it maintains its best quality and perfect shape. On the automated packaging line, high-precision robotic arms carefully place each ice cream bar into a sleek foil wrapper, which is printed with all the necessary product information. The speed is truly impressive. 35,000 bars per hour. To keep up with this pace, an efficient conveyor system transports hundreds of packaged bars through scanners and metal detectors, ensuring that no foreign objects make their way into the final product. From there, the bars are neatly packed into large cartons and sent straight into cold storage at -2 degrees Fahrenheit, where they wait to be shipped and enjoyed by customers. Every day, this ice cream factory produces up to 200,000 ice cream bars in a variety of flavors and colors, satisfying millions of people across the country. Each bar isn't just about taste. It must also meet high aesthetic standards, because billions of customers around the world look forward to indulging in these frozen treats every year. But here's a fun fact. Did you know that nearly half of an ice cream bar's volume is actually air? That's right. In fact, 30 to 50% of the volume comes from tiny air bubbles, which give ice cream its light, smooth texture and that perfect melt-in-your-mouth experience. Now think about it. If half of what we're paying for is air, shouldn't ice cream be 50% off? What do you think about that idea? Some people love waffle cones, others prefer chocolate-dipped bars, some go for classic popsicles, while others enjoy tub ice cream, with or without fillings. But one thing's for sure, very few can resist ice cream. We buy it to boost our mood or cool down on a hot day. When the temperature hits 85 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, ice cream flies off the shelves like crazy. Some people hesitate to eat ice cream for fear of gaining weight. But food scientists say there's no need to worry. Not only can you eat ice cream, you should. It's packed with protein, calcium, phosphorus, iron, lactose, and vitamin C. Plus, it has been shown to lift your mood and reduce stress, but only when it's made the right way. If you're adventurous, you can even find ice cream flavors like French fries, onion, or even anchovy. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll have wild new flavors of our own to try.